Hi y'all, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are actually in Amsterdam city center. I am quickly jumping into a Bijenkorf here, our department store, to check if they have the Daylong bag. I am just going to look for the Daylong bag because we have seen the other Longchamp bags recently. So anyway, let's check out if they have it. So they actually have the Daylong bag here. They have this a small size, which is $6.70, and it is like a greenish blue color. And then they have this, what I think is a medium size, in a beautiful light blue color, all with silver hardware. And this one is, what's this one? $7.70. I will try it on shortly. And then this is the larger size, also in that greenish blue, and that one is a $9.70. So let's see what it looks like. One should try it on. Well, let's see what it looks like inside the bag. So let's open up this, what I think is the medium size. So it has this kind of interior, then a zipped pocket. You see that? Zipped pocket here, and then another very small side pocket. So double side pocket here. On the other side, they also have two side pockets. So it is all a fabric lining. Then the handles stand like this, so to say, like they stay up. And then you have a beautiful detachable, adjustable strap, a thin one. So that is super cute. Now this one is much smaller, but still big enough to hold a phone. The bags don't have feet at the bottom. They are so cute. Let's try this one on here. You see that? Go ahead like this, crossbody like this. You see that? So that is what that looks like. Medium size, I think. So yeah, that is this size. Let me see. Okay, and you could also wear it on the crook of your arm, this one, but this one is a very small, very petite. You see? Much smaller. You can also wear a crossbody. And then they also have it in white, for white color. And it has Longchamp embossed there. Don't know if you can see. Here you can see it better. Longchamp embossed there. Very beautiful leather. I do see a little mark there. You see that? So I don't know if this bag cuffs easily, that I don't know. Let's try on this bigger one. So you see, this is much bigger. It's much bigger. You can store a lot, but not like a laptop or anything like that because of the shape. See that? So it is an interesting shape of bag. You can adjust it if you like, but yeah, I don't know. What is that? So I think size-wise, because of the shape of the bag, as this is bigger, but since you cannot store like a thing like maybe an iPad, yeah, but not a laptop. I don't think, for me personally, yeah, that this shape is, or this size is that practical, even though it's very nice. So I really like this in between a size. That is so cute. So cute. So yeah. You can also dress it up with a beautiful scarf. It is really, really lovely. So yeah.